Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the stitch counter that fits your workflow and project. Once selected, set your parameters, total repeats, rows per repeat, and any pattern markers. Now attach the mechanical counter to the needle or open the app and reset it to 0 so you have a clear baseline. As you make the first set of stitches, tap or click after each completed repeat. This establishes rhythm and prevents early mistakes, making your progress visible from the very first pass. Once you have started, maintain a consistent habit. Increment the counter only after you complete the designated repeat or stitch group, not mid-section. Make sure to place pattern markers at the start and end of repeats so you can visually confirm where to click or advance. If you are using both a mechanical counter and an app or notebook, sync them regularly. Update the app after several increments or jot the number down to avoid drift. This reduces errors during longer, more complex sequences. As you near completion, cross-check the counter reading with your pattern to confirm you have the correct number of repeats or stitches before binding off. If the numbers don't match, pause and recount the current row and the most recent repeats rather than guessing. If you discover you've lost your place entirely, backtrack to the last marker or use a lifeline to unravel safely to a known point. Then reset the counter and resume. One key tip: stop and verify early to avoid large rework.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.